Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. So many of our fellow researchers are asking which one is the best tool to avoid AI detection. So which tool will be convert AI to humanized text. So in that intent we are going to discuss about an AI tool which will be very helpful for us to get rid of AI detection problem in whatever the plagiarism checking software you are using, so you can escape from AI detection. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how that research prompts will generate a better content for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. Make your research paper writing simple. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. As EV become popular nowadays, so here is a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as a sources. So in this we are going to model PV and wind energy. So in that we are going to apply different types of MPPT algorithms in order to extract maximum power from PV and wind energy sources, and we are going to integrate it with EV charging station. All the things will be done in this MATLAB. So make use of this option to learn more about this EV charging station design in MATLAB. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So here is a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced applications. So if you want to learn more basics about MATLAB, so here is the better opportunity. So in this workshop we are going to discuss about how to make a basic syntax in MATLAB, and we are going to explore MATLAB environment, 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and also we are going to explore what are the different toolbox available in Simulink. So for example, say fuzzy logic toolbox, neural network toolbox, ANFIS toolbox. So these are the different things we are going to explore, and also we are going to tune PID controller. So how to tune PID controller, what are the important necessary steps to be taken to tune the PID controller. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you want to learn more basics in MATLAB, so here is a better opportunity. Make use of this opportunity to learn more about MATLAB. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that AI Detector Pro. So as we have did already related a video related with this AI Detector Pro, here is a live example how it will reduce that AI content. So open AI Detector Pro. So click get started for free. As we have already have an account in AI Detector Pro, so I can log in with this mail ID. So if you don't have it, so you can register and go for this sign up option. So it will ask some basic details, you can give that and you can log in with your mail ID. So after that this will be a dashboard like this here. So we often use this AI Detector Pro to reduce AI content, so that is to convert AI into humanized content. So let us explore with some examples. So in order to do so, I am going to open ChatGPT. So in this ChatGPT I am going to generate a content. So a general random content. So here type that explain about the recent trends in cloud computing. So this is I have asked. So explain about recent trends in cloud computing. So here you can see this is an interesting thing. As of my last knowledge update in Jan 2022. So this is how this GPT 3.5 model is updated. So here some of the content is generated. So hybrid and multi-cloud adoption. For example, say I am going to copy these 3 paragraphs. So the first 3 paragraphs related with the content we have generated. So after that you can go to the dashboard and click new report. So after that you can paste the content here. So after pasting your content you can click a option called analyze. or else here you will be having an attachment option, so you can attach that content also. So after you have copy or paste, our report will be generated. So here you can see, so this is the report which is generated by this AI Detector Pro. It is detected that 98 percentage will be subjected to AI. This content was mostly likely to written by AI. So after that, what we have to do? So this is what our content generated by AI, that our content is subjected to AI plagiarism. So even if you check it with any plagiarism software which is incorporated with the AI detection tools, so here it will show like that only. So after that, you have to convert this AI content into an humanized content. So in order to do so, here is an opportunity in AI Detector Pro, open with AI eraser. So this one will be a best opportunity. So before that, in order to make a better understanding about what we are doing, so I am going to copy the same content here. So this is the content which is generated by ChatGPT. So after that, we are going to use open with AI eraser. So open with AI, click on open with AI eraser. So this is AI eraser, open with AI eraser. So after that, what you have to do is, so you have to copy the particular paragraph which is subjected to AI detection. So and then you can see suggest, you can have a eraser tools, suggest paragraphs, rewrite, auto rewrite selection. So more human, less human. So like that you can give. So here I am going to give more human and give suggest paragraph rewrite. So here I am going to give suggest paragraph rewrite. So after that, so here you can see it is rewriting. It will take several seconds to generate. So here this is the content rewritten. So you can copy the content and you can save the content. So like that you can do for other paragraphs also. So copy that one. So go to this suggest paragraph rewrite and click suggest paragraph rewrite. So it will rewrite the content. So here you can see that our second one will be also be that is rewritten. So after that you can select the third paragraph. So after selecting, so you can click suggest paragraph rewrite. So here you can see this is the rewritten content after using that AI eraser. So this is the content which is generated. So we have given an option called more human. So in order to check this again, so I am going to copy the same content. I am going to use the same AI Detector Pro. Go to dashboard again. So click on new report. So paste the content which is paraphrased, that is rewritten. So after that, click on analyze. So let us see how it will generate content. So after that, you can see here this content was likely to be written by human. Our analysis suggests that there is only 2% chance that the content was entered was written by AI algorithm. So it is only less only, it's just 2% it is showing. So like that, here you can see all the content will be represented in green. This content appears to have been written by a human. So this is how you can use this AI Detector Pro to convert your AI generated content into humanized content, and you can get rid of that AI plagiarism problem in your research paper while checking in any of the plagiarism checking software, especially Turnitin. So you can, this one will be a better solution for you to get rid of AI detection. So make use of this option AI Detector Pro and get your that is research paper writing exemption from your AI plagiarism detection. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.